guys, look who we have here for makeup tutorial. Like for the past 1 year I haven't done makeup tutorial. The last video that I did was this video here and ever since then I have not done any makeup. But in today's video I am here to give you guys my everyday makeup update. Okay, so I know you guys have been waiting for me to do makeup because that is what you know me for. I've been busy with so many things going on in my life and as well as doing vlogging. I see vlogging as something very easy, something that I can easily do. Let's dive into my update. The first thing I always do is clean my face. As you guys can see right there, my face is cleaned. When I finish cleaning my face, then I go ahead with my moisturizer. So if you have moisturizer, that will be perfect. When you apply foundation, it will not be that sticky. It will look good and gorgeous. Does that make sense? So you guys see the difference between before my face was dry and now my face is shining. So that is what moisturizer does. Moisturizer helps to keep it, oily and not dried. Okay, the next thing I always like to do is I go in with my foundation. But remember, before you go in with any kind of foundation, always make sure that the foundation you are using, if your face is full of acne like my own is acne free, okay, or black spots, so that will tell you the amount of foundation you are going to use. So if your face is free like mine, then you know it will also help you to know the quantity of foundation you are going to use. So at this moment I'm gonna just apply little by little like this, because only this one here is enough to give me a full coverage. So what I always do is I make sure that I go with my sponge, because before you use your sponge, always make sure that you wet it, because wetting it will help to blend the foundation properly. Can you guys see the difference? This side there is foundation and this side there is no foundation. That is amazing. That is what happens when you put a little quantity of foundation on your face. If you don't have acne or dark spots, you can get this. But if you do, it will be difficult. You need to apply a maximum or a little big amount of foundation. This is actually very good. You see, it's not too much. It's just like my natural face though. This hair is giving, because as you guys can see this face right here, you cannot notice that I put foundation in this face because the foundation is little and it blended smoothly with the help of the sponge. When you wet it, it will give you that smooth finish look. I can go out with this. Nobody will know that I applied foundation except only me that did it. So the next thing is, if you have concealer, you need to apply a little quantity of it and mostly down this side. You don't need a big amount, okay, because this is everyday makeup. You don't need to do it like Owambe Owambe makeup. Owambe makeup you apply so much, but this is just a little amount. So once you are done applying it, you go in with the same sponge you used on your face and use it to blend it out. So blending it, you don't need to scatter it everywhere. You just blend it according to the way you applied it. You guys can see. So I didn't go ahead to apply this side because I don't want the concealer to scatter my whole face. See how easily it blended? It didn't scatter the rest of my face. So guys, if I come closely to the camera, you guys will see how smooth it blended. This is me, live and direct. This is my face, okay? No filter, no smoother, nothing. I don't use that. This is how it actually looks like on my face because it's well blended, and that is why it came out looking this. After that, the next thing I normally do is to go in with my setting powder to set it up. So I use my setting powder to make that area, those areas that I applied my concealer to stick, so that it won't be cakey or it won't be, dividing. So once you are done applying those things, the next thing I go in with is my setting powder to set up my full face, okay? So when I say setting powder, the first one was for concealer and this one is for the full face. So normally I do my brows, but today my brows are going to be the last thing because you see what I'm doing. When I finish, I'll use it to scatter it. No matter how gorgeous you are looking, you can't just go ahead with the rest of the things without contouring. Contouring is very, very important. You don't need to miss it when you are doing your everyday makeup. So it will actually give you the shape of what you are wearing. That's what will make you to, you know, indicate or simplify. I don't know how to use the word. That will help you to know the shape of your cheeks. Honestly speaking, guys, I can't believe that after 1 year I still do makeup effect. Like since this year, this is the second time I'm wearing makeup this year. It's not that easy. I know you will not forget your eyeliner. Of course, you can use your eyeliner pencil or you can use your kajal. But the thing is, don't forget your eyeliner, because that is what will give you the beauty, like to bring out the beauty you really want. Of course, you won't forget your eyeliner. Eyeliner is very, very important when it comes to makeup. Of course, I did mistake. I did mistake. Can you guys spot the mistake? When it comes to this eyeliner, I'm always afraid because I don't want to blind myself. Oh. So guys, now we cannot talk about eyebrow. This is my quickest method of doing brows. Like, I'm telling you guys the truth. This is my quickest method. So what do? I go in with my mascara and I brush the brows up. So why I use mascara was because it helps to darken those areas, anywhere that are not fully black. So it will help to darken it. Very, very quick, easy going, no stress. So I'm always careful with the lines so that it will not end up messy. But mostly when you're in a hurry. When you're in a hurry, you understand it. If you get them messy, you just end up cleaning it. So after that, straight away with my mascara to brush up my natural lashes, because I'm not wearing my individual lashes. I removed it last week because majority of it started falling down after 2 weeks. I fixed it, so I have to take it off. For my lower lashes, I don't do it because I don't want anything to enter my eyes. I don't want to cry. I just leave it like that. If I'm going out, this is all I wear and go out. It depends on where I want to go. So if I want to touch up my makeup, okay, after applying my contour, then I'll use my blush to blush it up a little bit. So I have this shining blush that I got. So I'm going to use a little amount of it to blush it. Okay guys, this is it. This is how I'm looking like, okay, when it comes to my everyday makeup. So the next thing I must surely do in this my everyday makeup is my lip gloss. So this lip gloss is what helps me to decide if I'll be going with lipstick or not. So I put my lip gloss like this. Sometimes I go with black eye pencil down. So when I first put my lip gloss this way, then it helps me to decide which, style I want it. So now I think that style is not giving, okay? With this look is not giving. So what I'm going to do is to apply my eyeliner under. So I'll use my black eyeliner. I normally use black instead of brown. There is this beauty about black lip liner. Like, just look at how I automatically change from this to this. Okay, so this is actually giving. Okay, so with this liner, with this face, I can go to anywhere I want to go to. Okay, so yeah, actually I don't like to brush my hair. Please leave it like that. I like it. I like my hair to be like dread. Okay, so if that makes sense. So imagine this my face right there. I know with eyelashes it will look more beautiful, but I don't want eyelashes. When I'm in emergency, this doesn't take me up to 5 minutes to do. All right, so because I'm creating it, describing, explaining, that is why it's this minute. I am looking snatched. This is how I look whenever I'm in a hurry, go out. Nevertheless, to finalize and finish up the look, I'm gonna go in with my spray, my setting spray. Okay, oh my god, it's giving. If you dress like this, guys, people will not notice that you're wearing makeup, but when you pack so many things in your face, they will be like, where is this lady going to? Who is this lady? Like, they will be like, are you sure she's fine or she need help? So with this, you are fine. You can as well, if you don't want to use neutral blush, you can use pink blush or red blush. So it depends on the look you are going to. So nowadays a lot of people don't like too many makeups. When you're going out, you need to look moderate. You don't need to look like you are in a wedding when you are going out. So you don't need so many things in your face. And this here is giving. With my full stop is giving. So it's giving. In fact, it's giving. So this is how the clothes, I didn't smooth it. This is my real face. This is how it's giving. So guys, and that's basically all. If you like my everyday makeup, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe in the subscribe button. And of course, I will see you all in my next video. Remain blessed and have an awesome day. Bye guys.